Hello, welcome to the Computer Guy Reviews. I am Dusty the Computer Guy, and this is our first episode of many episodes that we're going to start doing called... So this is mostly going to be kind of like unboxing, but it's going to be over the unboxing, but kind of my expectations of the product, and then we'll have the actual review in a later video. So let's get started. So let's look at this guy here. So this is the professional recording stand. Professional recording stand comes with the mic holder, of course the arm, and then the shock mount. Me personally, I'm not a huge fan of lots of packaging. I mean, I like getting my products non-broken. I like that, but honestly, I don't know. I guess I've never really had a terrible time of receiving a product that was like completely damaged to the point where I had to return it. So it's not been a huge thing for me. So anyways, yeah, so it looks like you can thread that on here. For those that don't know, you can also take your Blue Yetis, which I actually have a Blue Yeti, and you can actually just thread that right onto here. I am probably going to thread this on here and see if I can try and put the Blue Yeti through here. My expectations... Oh, no, it spreads. No, I thought I read that it should fit, but we'll try it. Again, that's part of this, is just kind of get my first reactions. I like the quality of this. I like the... I've had one of these before, not this particular brand. The generic brand that really doesn't have a name on it. I had a newer, which is an Amazon brand or whatever. But this, I would say the springs feel just as good as that brand did. And I like the joints on this a lot better. And I would say, yeah, I like it. I like it so far. So that's a short little video of what it's about. Basically unboxing, kind of getting my first reactions of the product, and going from there. So there we go. Oh yeah, the bag on the floor. Yeah, the bag on the floor is the clamp. There we go. End of this video.